न्हंयांच्या राष्ट्रीयकरण प्रश्नार सामाजिक परिणाम मूल्यांकन तशेंच पर्यावरण क्लिअरन्सांचेर केंद्र आनी राज्य सरकारान कसलेच दुकुमेंत कॉपी दिल्ल्यो नात म्हूण काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष शांताराम नायक उलयला. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगीस आनी निलेश परवार.
Reason why I have kept this press conference is to expose the falsehood or the false statement made by Chief Minister Sri Manohar Parrikar that Goa rivers have not been nationalized. If you recollect, he has been saying it directly and indirectly that Goa rivers, namely the 6 rivers, have not been nationalized. And I want to expose this falsehood, the false statement of Chief Minister on nationalization of rivers. I will be writing to the Government of India to include the NRI categories who stay there and are Indian citizens. That's it. And another ground for me, justification for asking this is this: simply, government in the next winter session is going to give voting rights to NRIs. Voting rights bill is coming in the winter session, and thereby people staying abroad will be able to vote in election in India by appointing a proxy. And what I am asking, comparatively other facilities, is minor thing. If the Government of India is going to give them voting rights, this is a minor thing. And for the purpose of voting, Representation of People's Act will have to be amended by Parliament. For Aadhaar, a regulation by notification is the only thing which is required.